Have you ever lost a drone to water? Or maybe you've avoided flying over the ocean entirely because one mistake could send thousands of dollars sinking to the bottom. For years, water has been one of the biggest enemies of drones. Even the most advanced aerial cameras become extremely vulnerable when waves, rain, or accidental landings enter the equation. But what if there was a drone designed specifically for water? A drone that could float, survive splashes, take off directly from the ocean, and even follow you automatically while you surf, kayak, or paddleboard. That is exactly what the new HOVERAir Aqua promises to deliver. And after looking at what this drone brings to the table, it might be one of the most interesting drone releases we've seen in a very long time. At first glance, the HOVERAir Aqua doesn't look like a traditional drone. It immediately stands out because it was built with a completely different purpose in mind. Most drone manufacturers focus on adding larger sensors, better obstacle avoidance systems, or longer flight times. HOVERAir decided to tackle a problem that many outdoor creators have faced for years. Water and drones simply do not mix. Even experienced pilots become nervous when flying over oceans, rivers, and lakes because one unexpected gust of wind or technical issue can instantly destroy an expensive piece of equipment. The Aqua was designed to remove that fear completely. Instead of avoiding water, this drone embraces it. The biggest headline feature is undoubtedly its waterproof construction. This is not a drone that can simply survive a few drops of rain. The Aqua is designed to operate directly on water. It can float on the surface, launch from the water, and land back on it when the flight is finished. That alone changes the entire experience for adventure creators. Imagine finishing a surfing session and having your drone land directly beside you in the water instead of searching for a safe landing area on shore. It's a feature that sounds simple on paper, but in real-world situations, it can make a massive difference. What's even more impressive is the engineering behind this capability. HOVERAir uses corrosion-resistant materials throughout the drone, including stainless steel motors and titanium hardware designed to withstand harsh marine environments. Saltwater is one of the toughest environments for electronics, and it's something that destroys many devices over time. By building the Aqua specifically for these conditions, HOVERAir is attempting to create a drone that thrives where most drones struggle. Of course, a waterproof drone means nothing if the image quality isn't good enough. Fortunately, HOVERAir didn't forget about creators. The Aqua comes equipped with a 1/1.28-inch image sensor, which is surprisingly capable for a drone in this category. It records 4K video at up to 100 frames per second, allowing users to capture smooth slow-motion footage of fast-moving action. Whether you're recording surfers riding large waves, jet skis racing across open water, or kayakers navigating rough conditions, the ability to slow footage down dramatically adds a professional cinematic touch. The camera specifications go beyond simple resolution numbers. The drone supports HDR video and 10-bit H-log recording, giving creators much more flexibility during editing. For content creators who enjoy color grading their footage, this is a significant advantage. It means brighter highlights, better shadow detail, and more room to create a unique visual style. In a market where many compact drones focus solely on convenience, seeing advanced video features included here is a welcome surprise. One concern many people may have involves stabilization. After all, water environments are unpredictable. Waves, wind, and constant movement create difficult conditions for any flying camera. HOVERAir addresses this challenge with a hybrid stabilization system that combines a mechanical gimbal with electronic stabilization and horizon leveling. The result should be smoother footage even when flying close to the surface of the water. While it may not match the stabilization performance of some larger professional drones, it appears more than capable for the audience this product targets. Now let's talk about the feature that may ultimately determine whether the Aqua succeeds or fails: autonomous tracking. This is where things become truly interesting. Traditional drones can follow subjects, but water environments create unique challenges. Reflections, splashes, changing lighting conditions, and constantly moving surfaces can confuse tracking systems. HOVERAir has developed a solution that combines visual tracking, satellite positioning, radar technology, and an optional wearable controller called Lighthouse. Together, these systems allow the drone to follow users automatically while they participate in water sports. Think about how powerful that capability really is. Most people who surf, paddleboard, or kayak don't have a dedicated drone operator following them around. Setting up camera angles manually can be difficult and time-consuming. With the Aqua, the drone essentially becomes a personal camera operator. You launch it, begin your activity, and the drone takes care of the rest. For solo creators, this could be one of the most appealing features available today. The Lighthouse wearable controller deserves special attention because it changes the overall workflow dramatically. Instead of relying entirely on a smartphone, users can control key functions directly from the wearable device. This approach makes a lot of sense for water-based activities where handling a phone isn't always practical. Imagine standing on a paddleboard in rough water while trying to operate a touchscreen. A dedicated wearable controller immediately becomes a much more attractive solution. Another advantage of the Aqua is its lightweight design. At around 249 grams, it falls into a category that simplifies regulations in many countries. For travelers and adventure enthusiasts, keeping weight low is extremely important. Every gram matters when packing gear for outdoor trips. Despite its waterproof design and rugged construction, the Aqua remains surprisingly portable and easy to carry. However, no product is perfect, and the Aqua certainly has some limitations worth discussing. The first is battery life. HOVERair claims approximately 23 minutes of flight time, which is respectable but not groundbreaking. In real-world conditions involving strong coastal winds and active subject tracking, users should probably expect somewhat shorter flights. Anyone planning long sessions will likely want to invest in additional batteries. Another concern is the absence of obstacle avoidance technology. Over open water, this may not be a major issue because there are relatively few obstacles to avoid. But if users fly near docks, boats, cliffs, trees, or crowded shoreline areas, the lack of advanced obstacle detection becomes more noticeable. Pilots will need to remain aware of their surroundings rather than relying entirely on automation. Storage is another area where some users may have mixed feelings. The Aqua includes internal storage, which simplifies the design and improves waterproofing. However, there is no expandable memory card slot. That means users must actively manage storage space during extended trips. While this may not be a deal-breaker, it's something potential buyers should consider before making a purchase. Price is perhaps the biggest obstacle for many consumers. The Aqua enters the market at a premium price point, placing it above numerous traditional consumer drones. If your primary goal is capturing landscapes, cityscapes, or general aerial footage on land, there are alternative drones that may offer stronger value for the money. This is where understanding the target audience becomes crucial. The Aqua isn't trying to be a drone for everyone. It's a specialized tool built for a very specific type of creator. And honestly, that specialization might be its greatest strength. Too many modern products try to appeal to everyone and end up feeling generic. The Aqua knows exactly what it wants to be. It's a drone designed for surfers, paddleboarders, sailors, kayakers, wakeboarders, adventure travelers, and content creators who spend significant time around water. For those users, many of the compromises suddenly make perfect sense. What makes the Aqua exciting isn't just its waterproof design or tracking technology. It's the fact that it opens creative possibilities that were previously difficult or risky to achieve. Water-based aerial cinematography has traditionally required expensive equipment, experienced pilots, and a willingness to accept significant risk. The Aqua lowers those barriers considerably. It allows everyday creators to capture perspectives that once required much larger budgets and more complicated setups. The most impressive aspect of this drone may be that it solves a genuine problem rather than chasing specifications for marketing purposes. We often see manufacturers competing over resolution numbers, sensor sizes, and processing power. Those improvements matter, but they don't always change how people create content. The Aqua introduces a fundamentally different approach to aerial filmmaking around water. That's far more interesting than simply adding another megapixel or another flight mode. So, should you buy the HOVERair Aqua? The answer depends entirely on how and where you create content. If you regularly spend time around oceans, lakes, rivers, or other water environments, this drone could become one of the most valuable tools in your gear collection. Its ability to float, launch from water, survive splashes, and track subjects automatically gives it capabilities that few competitors can match. On the other hand, if most of your aerial work takes place on land, you may find better value in more traditional drones. At the end of the day, the HOVERAir AQUA feels like one of the most innovative drone products released in recent years. It isn't perfect. Battery life could be longer, obstacle avoidance would be welcome, and the price may be difficult for some buyers to justify. But innovation often involves taking risks and exploring new ideas. HOVERair has done exactly that. Instead of building another conventional drone, the company created something genuinely different. And in a market crowded with similar products, that alone deserves attention. The HOVERair AQUA may not replace every drone in your collection, but for water sports enthusiasts and adventure creators, it could easily become the most exciting drone of 2026. The ability to fly without fearing water changes everything, and that simple idea might be exactly what makes this drone so special.